Okay, Sko, we need to talk.
About what? The mystery notification on the calendar that says buy goat cheese or else? That one?
No. I mean, yes, but bigger picture. We need a synced family calendar. Apple Calendar. Shared. No more. Wait, you didn't know about the parent-teacher conference?
There. Okay, Apple Calendar it is. How are we doing this? Step by step, me, please.
Alright, on your iPhone. 1. Open the calendar app. 2. Tap calendars at the bottom. 3. Tap add calendar, right pointing arrow, then add calendar again. 4. Name it something like family calendar or the house of organized chaos. 5. Then tap add person. This is where you invite me.
Okay, boom. Invite sent me. You're welcome, world.
Now I accept the invite, and we're officially synced. Any events added here from my phone or yours will show up for both of us.
So, doctor appointments, school events, Clove's imaginary birthday party, it's all there.
All of it. And you can even color code the calendar so we know what's what.
You know this is one of those things people never get around to, right? But it makes everything so much smoother.
Exactly, love. Less. What time is practice today? More. You got this.
And that's a wrap on today's episode. If this helps you feel a little more fluent in family and tech,
Then you're already part of the family group now.
don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss a beat as we keep building better tools, habits, and moments together.
And drop us a comment. We love hearing how your family's growing, thriving, and navigating this wild digital world.
Until next time, keep your tabs open, but your hearts even more.
Okay, poet.
This is
Family
Family
Fluent.
Fluent.